guys, what we're going to do is show you how to pull a light. So what we've already done, we kind of prepped it a little bit. We'll go over it, but we're going to show you how to pull a light yourself. This one is called a NITCH light. So we already pulled the big lights out here. So we'll show you those that are already pulled out here. So you can see that light right there. It's going to be the same exact process. So you can see that light right there, and that light goes right up to that junction box over there, kind of behind the tail of that dolphin, right back up in there. So what we did is you pull the old light out, you put your string in there, tie a string on when you're pulling it out, you pull your old light out, and then take the end of that off, and that's what we've already done with this one. So we're going to try to set you up here and let you guys actually watch us tie this on and pull it out. So let me get you set up so you guys can see what we're going to do. Okay, so we got you guys set up on there. We're going to start unboxing the light. So we're going to start doing right here, guys, is start opening this up. I do got to run back out to the truck in just a second. It's hard to see, isn't it? We're going to take this light out, and again, it doesn't matter if you got a big light or a small light. This is called a NITCH. It's got a little bit of cord to it. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to stretch this cord out, and as you can see, it has a lot of different colors and stuff to it. So this is one of those color LED lights. Alright, so the first thing we do is, you're not going to really see this, but we're going to stretch this cord out so that we can get it unwound. There you go. Stretch that straight out that way somewhere. Get all the wrinkles out of it. So what we're going to do is we're going to get this one all stretched out so that it's not all curled up on us. And we pull it through the tube. So what we're going to do, guys, what we're going to do here is we're going to take and cut some of the sheathing back on here. Open the wires up. Typically on most wires you're going to have 3 wire. This one, because it's a LED, it only has 2 wires. This is a DC voltage. Shoot. And the next thing you're going to do is just put string by your cord and put one little wrap of tape around it. And what you want to do is kind of go back and forth and you're going to braid between the 2 wires. Keep it nice and tight.
Yeah, this is like cutting my fingers open.
Huh?
So this is like cutting my finger.
Is it stuck?
Yeah.
Okay, let go and we pull back a little bit.
Let go.
Okay, now give it a little tug.
It's stuck again.
Oh. Alright, let it come back.
Yep.
Remember, it's going from like 1.5 inches down to 1/4 inch. Oh, it's this right here. That's what it is.
Touch.
Alright, let's try it again.
Oh yeah. Just move this button.
All we have to
So-
do is just tie it.
Basically, what happened is the string over here decided to self-destruct. So it completely ripped. So now what does that mean?
Well, that's a whole nother problem too, is this string, I don't know if it's long enough. But we're gonna try it. So we're gonna try to rerun the string through there again.
Broken. Why does it look so zoomed in? Oh, here. Oh yeah, so much better. Can actually see something.
Get the hole?
Huh?
Get the hole? I'll be down at the hole. Right there.
Yeah, you can see it all.
Alright guys, we're gonna try it again. Since Maverick broke the string last time, we're gonna go again. There.
This should be plenty.
Alright, so you can see on this side, Maverick got it pulled through. So we're going to finish pulling it all through. It's a little bit of a wind up, but we should be getting it. I'll let you refocus on the hole there. Alright guys, we got the light in, so we'll show you what this looks like. Tell you what, it's hard to focus here. Here. So this has a little ring that goes around it, so you can choose different colors, but that's just a cover protector. It does have some other stuff right here. So you have a color chart, so you can choose different colors. It has different rings, so you can do different types of rings, black or gray or different colors. This is called a NITCH light. That's the name of this one. And then we pulled it through right here. So you can see right there we got it all pulled through. Alright. Alright, well guys, thanks for joining us on another video of how to pull a light, and we'll see you on the next one.